Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to update Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started. You need to click on the Windows key, type CMD and press enter. Now in command prompt, before updating the Jupyter Notebook, we will see the existing version of Jupyter Notebook. For that, you need to type the code Jupyter Notebook space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. You will get to see the current version of the Jupyter Notebook, that is 7.2.2. Now we are going to update this. Now the command for it is pip space install space hyphen hyphen upgrade space notebook and hit enter. Now this will download the latest version of notebook, that is 7.4.7, and it will be installed. See, you can see successfully installed Jupyter Lab 4.4. Okay, now we can cross check it with the command Jupyter Notebook space hyphen hyphen version. See, it has got changed. 7.4.7 is the latest version. You can close this command prompt. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.